We're taking a look at revision 4.1 of the money management algorithms, and we're going to use the Cobra CT workspace. Cobra CT is one of our basic Cobra CT strategies. Here is the performance for this with $25 slippage and commission, and then we have a money management algorithm right here. We're going to look at the optimization strategy in 4.1. It includes an optimization strategy, and the reason we do this because this the basic combination of all of the strategies that you see rule 1 through 13. If you were to optimize all those, it would take a very long time. So for example, I'm going to set this up. I'm going to set up optimization for rules 0 through 1. Okay, I set this up 0 to 1. 0 is false, 1 is true. For all 13 rules, to see all possible combinations of this, and I'm going to select optimize, and I'm going to say OK. And then we're going to go optimize, and you're going to see all the potential combinations over here on the left. There's 8,192 total tests. So this is going to take forever. So I've got a quicker way to do this in revision 4.1. It's not as exhaustive, but it'll get you some results quicker. And you can see that it's still estimating the time to completion. And I'm just going to go ahead and abort, cancel optimization, accept best solution so far. And now I'm going to show you how to set up the optimization tool for revision 4.1. But to quickly compare, in 4.0, the revision 4.0 optimization tool, it rules 1 through 13 are just going to be a basic input. We're going to take out all these inputs and just make it one input called rule, where you can optimize from 1 to 13, and all the other inputs are the same. You want all the other inputs to match all the way down, and so we've already done that. Turn the status of that one off, and this is our new strategy. Money Management Equity Curve Algorithm Revision 4.0. I kept the 4.0 on here to keep the naming easier to find, even though it's an update 4.1. It's optimization OPT, and I'm going to turn the status on, and I'm going to show you. Now you see you've got rule here. You've just got rule instead of rule 1 through 13, and you can optimize this for 1 through 13 to get 13 tests instead of 8,192. You're not going to test all possible combinations. You're just going to test one rule at a time, and then you're going to be able to rank the rules to see which rules are the best. And this will allow you to test the algorithms over different strategies to see which rules are the best, and be able to find consistency if possible. So I'm going to run the optimization tool, and then I'm going to pause this video while this is optimizing, and we're going to come back and look at the results. So we ran the optimization on this, and we can see the results by viewing the strategy optimization report. And you see here, I like to optimize by return on account. And so if you sort it, you can click on that by sorting it return on account. Double click again, and you can see the rules over here on the left. I clicked on the other window, so if you click on this window, it'll go away. You have to be in the window that you optimize for. So alt return on account, rule 11, 10, 9, and 2 are the best. These are the best rules based on the return on account. And so you can take a look at those in the other strategy. So we're going to take a look at a combination of the two best rules, 11 and 10, and then see the results. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. So what we do in this situation is we come back here, we turn our optimization tool off, we turn that off, we come back to the strategy, turn that back on, and we go down and we turn on rules 10 and 11. So rules that are on right now, none of the rules are currently on. I want to make sure none of the other rules are on. So we put a 1 here for rule 10 and a 1 here for rule 11. And then let's take a look at the results. When that updates, we'll look at the performance summary. So we updated that. Here is the performance. This is not inclusive of slippage and commission, but you get $85.31, $43.90 drawdown, $33,270 total net profit. Lots of room to work with after slippage and commission. There's the equity curve, and we compare that to this equity curve. Let's take a look. This is the base systems equity curve, and this is what we originally looked at, and then we get the improvement on this side, you see the improvement, big improvement, using the open equity, moving average, and open equity RSI. Those are the two top rules. Let's take a look at those again. That's back in your base strategy. So you're looking at the moving average of the open equity and the RSI of the open equity. So that's the update of the tool. There's 9 MM through MM9 for each series. If you want to test up to 9 strategies with the same symbol and interval, you'll need all 9. If not, you can always use this base. And if you have any questions, you can email us. But that is the update for revision 4.1 and how the optimization tool works.